Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to all in ABSIS online support program. Textbook New Secondary Mathematics Book 1 page number 38 till 41, Chapter 2 Integers, Rational and Real Numbers. Topic is multiplication and division involving negative numbers. This is the same topic which we have learned in OSP round 2. Resources required: math book, notebook, laptop, mobile and computer. Introduction of the lesson is multiplication that involves negative numbers, division that involves negative numbers. Thought of the day: never stop learning because life never stops teaching. It means life gives you lesson at each step. Objective: we will learn how to carry out multiplication that involves negative numbers. We will learn how to carry out division that involves negative numbers. Let's do a quick recap. Question number 1 is, what are negative numbers? All those numbers which have negative sign, we call them negative number. Now here you can see example, we have -2, -3, -19 or any number which have negative sign, you will call it negative number. Now here's the question number 2. What are the product of 2 and 3 and 3 and 2? Are they both equal? Yes. The product of 2 and 3 and 3 and 2 is 6 and they both are equal. So our first topic is multiplication involving negative numbers. So here are some rules which need to be followed when we multiply numbers. Now the first rule is, if we have one positive number and we are multiplying with negative number, so the product will be negative. Now let's see this example. We have a 7 and it is positive and we are multiplying it with -10. So we can say plus minus is minus and 7 tens are 70. As you can see, -70 is negative number. Now the rule number 2 is, if we multiply negative number by positive number, the product is again negative number. Now here is an example. If we have -9 and we are multiplying it by 4, so we'll get minus plus minus, 9 4s are 36. So -36 is the negative number. Rule number 3 is, if we multiply negative number by negative number, so we'll get positive number. It means, you can see this example, if we have -8 multiplied by -5. So minus minus plus and 8 5s are 40. So here 40 is the positive number. Now the fourth rule is, if we multiply positive number by positive number, so the result will be positive number. Now the first number is 2 and the other number is 6. When we multiply 2 into 6, we'll get 12. Now let's solve. Practice now. Question is, without using calculator, solve the following. Part A is 2 multiplied by -6. Now the first number is positive and the second number is negative. Whenever we multiply a positive number by a negative number, the answer will be negative number. First we will put the heading of solution. Afterward we'll multiply 2 into 6, 12 and negative sign as it is. Why? Because plus minus is minus and -12 is your final answer. Part B is -4 multiplied by -10. Now the first number is negative and the second number is also negative. Whenever we multiply two negative number, we'll get our answer positive. First we will write heading of solution. Afterward 4 tens are 40 and minus minus plus. Part C, -2 bracket -100. Whenever a number is written outside the bracket, it means it is multiplying by the whole bracket. So here -2 is multiplying by -100. First you will write solution heading. Afterward you can see we have two negative numbers. Whenever two negative number multiply, it will give a positive number. So minus minus plus and 2 into 100 is 200. Now here comes part D. Minus into -10. First, you will write the heading of solution. Again, we have two negative number. Whenever we multiply two negative number, it will give a positive answer. So, minus minus plus and 10 as it is. Here comes part E. We have minus 3 into 12. First number is negative and the second number is positive. Whenever we multiply negative number by a positive number, it will give negative number. First, we will put the heading of solution. Then, minus plus minus 3 into 12 is 36. Now, our next topic is division involving negative numbers. Here are some rules which need to be followed. If we divide a positive number by negative number, we will get negative number. Let's see this example. 10 divided by negative 2 will give negative 5. How? When we divide 10 by 2, it will give 5 and we have negative sign with 2. So, we'll just put minus 5. Now, the rule number 2 is when we divide negative number by positive number, we again get negative number. How? We have minus 9 divided by 3. When we divide 9 by 3, it gives 3. Here we have negative 9. So, the answer will be negative 3. It means minus 3. Now, rule number 3 is when we divide negative number by negative number, it will give a positive number. How? We have minus 8 divided by minus 4. Now, whenever you divide 8 by 4, you get 2. Now, here are minus 8 and minus 4. So, it will become positive 2. Rule number 4 is when a positive number divided by positive number, it will give positive number. Now, let's see this example. We have 42 divided by 7. When you divide 42 by 7, it will give 6. Since both numbers are positive, this means the answer will be positive. Now we will solve practice now. Question is without using calculator, solve the following. Part A is minus 8 divided by 2. First number is negative and the second number is positive. First you write the heading of solution and you can write minus 8 divided by 2 as minus 8 out of 2. Whenever we have negative number and we divide it by positive number, the final answer will be negative number. So first you will divide 8 by 2, you'll get 4 and negative sign as it is. So your answer will be minus 4. Now part B is 15 divided by minus 3. First you will put the heading of solution and you can write 15 divided by minus 3 as 15 out of minus 3. Whenever we have a positive number and we divide it by a negative number, the final answer will be in negative number. First, we will divide 15 by 3, we'll get 5 and negative sign as it is. So, it means our final answer will be minus 5. Part C is minus 6 out of 3. It means minus 6 divided by 3. First, we put the heading of solution. Afterward, if you notice, the first number, the numerator number is negative and the denominator number is positive. Whenever we divide negative number by a positive number, we will get negative number as our answer. So, if you divide 6 by 3, you'll get 2 and negative sign as it is. So, your answer will be minus 2. Now, here comes part D. Minus 12 out of minus 3. It means minus 12 divided by minus 3. First, you will put the heading of solution. Then, if you notice, the first number is negative and the second number is negative. It means the numerator is negative and the denominator is also negative. Whenever two negative number will be dividing, it will give us a positive number as our answer. So, it means when we divide 12 by 3, we'll get 4 and the answer will be positive 4. Here comes your task. You need to solve question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise 2C on page number 43. Important instructions. Work should be done on notebook. Work should be submitted on regular basis. Work should be neat and clean and should be in proper manner with date and day and correct topic name along with proper numbering in notebook. Use black and blue gel pen. Draw an ending line after every question.